Hello friends, today we are going to see another graphics video. In this video, we are going to see Python program for these graphics. Now, let us develop the program which will develop these graphics. Import turtle as t, define turtle t1, this will define turtle t1, then here let us use for loop. I have taken 36, I'll explain why. Then t1 turtle fd, that is forward by 100 points. Then let us change the angle by 10 degree. We can say t1 dot lt by 10 degree. So this will change the angle by 10 degree. Now how this is going to work? So this I have taken 36 because I would like to cover complete circle, and we know that complete circle is 360 degree, and I am changing turtle head by 10 degree. So to complete rotation we require to rotate for 36 times, that is 36 into 10, that is 360. So let me run this program and see the output of this. It is asking me to save program, so I say experiment 2. Oh, so it has gone out of this screen and it has returned back. Why this happens? So every time I am changing angle by 10 degree and it is moving forward 100 points. So that's why it has given me this kind of output. Now if I would like to get this kind of output, then it has to come back by same point. So here I have to use another command, that is t1 bk, that is backward by again 100 points. So let me run this program and see the output. So 100 points are very less, it is covering very small part of our complete screen. So we need to increase this, and here we have seen it is black and white, so it is not colorful. So how I can make it colorful, that we are going to see. So now let us make it colorful by using different color. So I define one array of color. So C equals to, I'd like to give the color of rainbow, so I can say WebJar, that is color of rainbow, and here I define those color. Now these are rainbow color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and I would like to assign those color to my turtle. So how I can assign it? So I am having one command, that is t1 dot color. But here how I can take this color? I can say C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, C of 3, and so on. But after 7 it should return to 0, or I can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But after 6 it must return to 0, though our I will go up to 36. How I can achieve this? So that can be achieved by C of I modulus 7. Now how this C of I modulus 7 is going to work? Let us see the logic of it. Here when I equals to 0, we are saying modulus 7, it will result into definitely 0. When it becomes 1, modulus 7, so we'll get remainder 1. Similarly, when 6 modulus 7, it will give me remainder 6. And when 7 modulus 7, so 7 is completely divisible by 7, so it will give me 0. When it becomes 8 modulus of 7, so now 8 divided by 7, the remainder is 1, then 2 and so on. So this is the logic by using which C will change from 0 to C of 6. So we are using this logic here. So let me run this program and see the output. Again, I am changing this up to 250 points. I'm changing it to 250 points so that initially it was small graphic. By 250 points, it will cover most of the window and it will look very beautiful. Now see the output of this. So here we are seeing that those petals are quite wide from each other. Can we take near to each other? So yes, by reducing that widening angle, we can take it near to each other. And again one thing, the size of this petal is very thin. So can I broad it? So answer is yes. So what I can do, and another thing, in first video, first graphics, we have seen the screen was black and here it is white. So can I change the background color of this window? So again answer is yes. So which are those commands that we are going to see? So let me first change the background color. So for that I am having command t dot bg color, that is background color, color. I want to change that color from white to black. By default it takes white and now I change it to black. It is background color of window. Another thing, I would like to reduce this widening angle. It was 10, so the petals were away from each other. Now I'd like to take close to each other, so I make it 3. And the moment I make it 3, so this 36 petal will not remain sufficient. So we need to increase this also. So I can say 360 divided by 3. Why I have taken 360? Because complete circle angle is 360. I have taken the separation angle 3. So I need to divide that 360 by 3. So I got 120 petals here. Let me run this program again. One thing remain. I have to broad the size of my petal. So how I can broad that size? So for that again I am having one command. So T1, that is turtle. I'd like to increase the size of that turtle. So the command is pen size. Pen size. So let us say 2. So it will broad the petal size, or we can say pen size of turtle. So let me run this program again. Now to draw this petal, it is taking more time. So can I make it fast? So answer is yes. For that I am having also one command. So we are going to use that command. What is that command? That command is speed. So what I can do with this speed command, I can change the animation speed by using this speed command. In this speed command, I can use integer value from 0 to 10. So 0 is the fastest one here. 1 is the slowest one. Then 2 becomes more fast. 3 becomes more fast. 4, 5, 10 becomes the faster. And 0 is the fastest one. Suppose if I use speed 0, let us see how we'll get the graphics of this. Here I have to use t1 dot speed. I make it 0 and now you see the output. See now it is drawing that output very fast. Okay, so can I reduce this speed? So answer is yes. Rather to use 0, let me use 10 here, and again let us check the output. So now it is slower than the previous one, but still too fast. Now in the first graphics output, we have seen in center it is drawing one circle, small circle, but here in this graphics it is doing it from the center. It is drawing all petals from the center. So what can be done so that we can get the graphics whatever we have shown in the starting of video? What we should do? Now see, here I have taken it 250 points and I have bring it back 250 points. Suppose I made it to 49, so it will go for 250 points and it will return back to 49 points. Then again 250 points to 49 points, means it will not come exactly at the center, it will remain somewhat away from the center and it will go on drawing the center small circle. Let us see the output of this program and see. We are getting the exact output whatever we have seen when the video was started. So this is the output of this program, friends. In this way we can develop very beautiful graphics by using this turtle module. In upcoming videos we are going to see number of graphics. Friends, if you are having any comment, if you are having any query, please mention it in comment section. That will help us to analyze our video and will feel happy to answer your queries. In description below you will find two links. One is for the basics of Python and another is for one PDF. In that PDF you will find all the commands whatever we are using in this turtle graphics. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.